Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we are doing the second episode of the Pick My Pour series. Now, you guys are doing a fantastic job. This is a beautiful color palette. We have a 20 by 20 canvas, and we are doing a tree swipe. Now, I'd like to go right in to the paint colors first, because I think we're going to go to some nice music. That way we can take care of the whole piece in one shot. It'll be beautiful. Okay, let's get started. We're going to go start off with our brilliant purple right here. Then our dioxazine purple. Next we have metallic cobalt blue, light blue permanent. We have primary magenta and a fluorescent pink. Then also here, I don't count these when you guys are picking the colors. I'll add in the whites and the blacks where needed. So I just have the oxide black and the titanium white. And then I just have the base coat, which again is my normal pillow base that I've been using for everything. We'll see how that works out. All right, I guess, let's play your favorite game, or my favorite game, or somebody around the world's favorite game. What is it, guys? It's clean up the sticks. Here we go. And count them as well. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Look at these beautiful colors. All right, here we go. Let's clean up just a little. Move this stuff. That way we can get down there, go into some music. We can relax a little. It'll be nice. We'll have a nice time. Okay, guys, here we go. Woo, that looks like a lot, doesn't it? Looks daunting. All right, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down the base coat, and then we're going to run the colors. Then we're going to run up the middle. We're going to swipe left and right for you guys, and then we'll work on the tree. Okay, so let's go into music, and I will see you guys on the other side. All right, here we go. All right, guys. Let's come back in here for a second and just check out the insane amount of whiteness going on here. But at the same time, there's an insane amount of cell action going on here. So I would kind of love some more color. Let's see what develops, because what if this white clears and it develops very nicely? I mean, this is looking very great up here. I love this. Oh, that's so great. Maybe we'll do a little torch. What do you think, guys? Here we go. Woo! All right, let's try to open some of this up, huh? The funny thing is, man, if you could tilt this, it'd be ridiculous, I would think, right? But I can't imagine I'm gonna tilt this tree white. It's so massive. And I still have to make the tree section, so let's see what happens here. This would be one of those time-lapse pearl pour situations, except, yeah, we do have to make the tree. So do we just make the tree and work around the fact that all these beautiful cells are just popping up everywhere? I just want to get rid of some of this white down here, to tell you the truth. All right, here we go. So I guess we're going to work on the actual tree part itself. So do I want to go in with my palette knife, or do I want to go in with a smaller strip? Let's see. I think let's start off with the palette knife and see what happens here. And you know what? While we work on the tree, let's just jump back into some music and see if we can see some nice cell development here. All right. I will see you on the other side again, guys. Here we go. All right, guys, we are now back again. And wow, this is something else, huh? This is pretty crazy looking. Let's see if we can torch again, though. Yeah, we never got rid of this white. But it does look cool, though. It really makes the tree really... Yeah, the tree really stands out now because of the white as much. And honestly, I really wouldn't be surprised in maybe 30, 40 minutes from now if this white even opened up even more. So, oh, I love it. It's very bright. Very, 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 very bright. Very mystical looking. Yeah, I think that's what you guys were going for, right? I think you wanted some nice, bright, mystical looking tree pour, tree swipe situation. Yeah, there we go. I think that's probably it, torching wise. Yeah, I don't think we should go that crazy, right? Whew. Yeah, there's just so much white though. I'm really tempted to just swipe through this, but man, I don't even know. That would be very irresponsible. Just be like, start swiping through stuff. But yeah, wow, yeah, this is great looking. Look at this colors in here. Yeah, these are good. We're gonna come and bring you in for a close-up, and yeah, let's make this happen, guys. Here we go. Thank you for hanging out. Had a wonderful time. Great pick again. Let's go back at it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You know the drill. And we will see you later. Bye.